Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Hey, it's a Monday, and I'm really stoked. I figured something out. But first, let me show you what we're gonna do up today. This is Nissin Cup Noodles. Big. Can you read that? No? Can you read that? It's extra spicy. Tonkotsu. So yeah, this is all thanks to Alexander over in Hong Kong. He contacted me and said, hey, I like your site, I like what you're doing, so I want to send you some stuff. I'm like, thank you. And he even sent some chocolate for the chocolate break. That's rad, because it's like Hong Kong chocolate. I don't have any of that. Here's what it looks like. And we gotta add some water, because this goes in the microwave. Okay, a little bit more. Just a, there we go. Alright, and are you ready for this? 4 minutes at 800 watts. So, what am I so stoked about? Well, this tripod ain't falling over anymore. So it's got like, it's like a bunch of graduated little things that go like that. It's kind of like a ball and socket. And the one that was directly underneath the cam was really loose. And so I just took some paper towel, folded it over, pushed it down on it, and now it's tight. So that's an easy fix. But yeah, I can pound on the stove and it's stable, so that's cool. But yeah, it's Monday. Had a pretty mellow weekend. Didn't really do a whole heck of a lot. We got Disney Plus. That's kind of a new thing. It just came out like a week ago or last week. And checked out the first episode of The Mandalorian. That was rad. I'm digging that. That's cool. I can get with that show. I think it's about time that Star Wars kind of entered the show genre, you know? It's like it's a TV show. But I mean, it's funny because it's like Star Wars has gone from movies to shows now, it looks like. Whereas Star Trek went from shows to movies. So you're gonna have more movie stuff than show stuff for Star Wars, and then the opposite for Star Trek. So it's like the body of content to go through is like so lopsided. There's always like that debate between what's better, Star Trek or Star Wars. Honestly, I like Star Trek way better. But Star Wars I do like as well, so I'm not gonna... But what I will say the difference of the two is Star Trek is more science fiction, where Star Wars is more sci-fi fantasy. I mean, Star Wars is a weird universe, I think. Because, I mean, when you think about it, there's like a bunch of games, and there's a bunch of timeline, but the timeline, it's like 10,000 years ago, the technology is the same as, like, yeah, their technology just kind of like it's like Star Wars is like their culture is just at a standstill. All everything just there's nothing new, and yeah, just all the same stuff. Whereas Star Trek, yeah, there's changes. I mean, you can go and you can watch like Star Trek Enterprise, and that's a lot less advanced as, say, Voyager or Deep Space Nine. So, what I will say is, can't really think. The new movies, I'm just not into of Star Wars. There's really, to me, no memorable characters. The only memorable characters I can think of are the ones from the original three that, or at least in order of airing at the theater, but I don't know, they do a lot better with character development in Star Trek, it seems like. However, I will say that I am so anti Star Trek Discovery, it's not even funny. That show makes me want to kill. I mean, it's just like, I can't take it. It drives me nuts. Oh, I didn't set up Rotato. I'm gonna do that. Miles got a new lunch bag, so I took his old lunch bag for Rotato. My wife's like, yeah, I'm gonna chuck it. I'm like, no. When it comes to my kids, I find it really hard to throw away stuff. I'm one of them. It's like, no. I'll find something to do with it. Don't you worry. And I did, so. His new one's Daniel Tiger. I don't know, I'm becoming less and less enthralled with Daniel Tiger. Alright. There we are. We're golden. Okay, and now I'm going to put in there. Whoa, that's hot. That's a hot one. So one thing you're going to wonder, maybe, if you care, if you really care about your old buddy the Ramen Raider here, so notice that I'm using this one in a cup. I don't have two of this one, so what I have to do is wash it out and dry it, and I kind of have to go through a little bit of extra process to process this cup, but that's what I have to do because there's really no instructions on how to cook it other than in the microwave. So that's why I'm giving it a really quick rinse. There we go. And then we take paper towels, drop it in, go like so. And then we set it off to the side so that helps dry it out even further. So let's see, this is extra spicy tonkotsu. I'm very curious if it's like spicy at all. Definitely a lot going on here. This is cool. Alright. Let's see what we got. Whoa. So, it's definitely got a kick to it. No joking there. It's definitely hot. However, I'm sad to say that it's not the kind of kick that I'm super enthusiastic about. That's definitely like they just added a bunch of what do you call it? That's an extract. That's not just like straight up pepper. At least I don't think it is. I could be wrong. It happens. Rarely. But yeah. I'm going with that's an extract, and I prefer instead of extracts, I'd rather see more things like, oh well, we use this special kind of pepper. You know, it's more fun that way. I mean, I really don't feel like having any more of that Carolina Reaper in my life, but oh, come on. Let's see. There. There we go. Come on, get out of there, Noodles. The egg doesn't want noodles in it. If we do this. Yummy. Okay. And I got 2 slices of shashu. I'm gonna go with this nice one. And then we got some mung bean sprouts. And spring onion. And I think some shichimi and some oil, and we're good. Let's use this fancy one. Right. That one. And some oil. Come on. There. Now, let's see what you see. Now we're talking. Finally, tripod seems to be working again. I'm happy about that. That's been really, really frustrating. If you've been watching my show, you've been definitely able to tell I've been kind of slightly really annoyed. But anyways, let's rotate-o. Do that again, that's fun. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thanks to Alexander in Hong Kong, and hey to everybody over in Hong Kong. Do your thing, fight the power, and have a good one. Bye.